I don't think Jonas Gomora is as bad as you guys make him out to be. Like, hear me out. Like, number one, Jonas Gomora is nothing like about Jonas Gomora when lava elijula lava elimfananisa lava. First, mind you, like this book libhalwe ngesikhathi se-AIDS pandemic. Like, this day and age, khathesi like yini HIV ngaphansi komthunzi wokudada. All you have to do is take your medication. But ngesikhathi sabo Gomora, like HIV, like there was that stigma around HIV, and that is why enganathanga amaphilisi like. And yes, he didn't die of cheating. He died of HIV. Yabona. Vele kahle kahle uJonas Gomora was actually good lina. Kulezi zinto ezenzakala phandle la. First uJonas uyamithisa, uJonas uyathatha. Cela licabange ngoJonas Gomora benilabejula labo abahamba ku-baby making spree. Bemithisa la. But like, do they like take responsibility? Or maybe some of them, but most of them definitely no, because most of the people ababuya lapho bekhala ngoJonas Gomora, like abakhala ngabo Gomora babo, like let me not go far. Like Jonas babo abakhala ngabo is those guys like, girl ungamithiswa nguPeter la ethengela iphiyenti ngunina uzakunikani uPeter. Firstly, uEssie, she knew what she was getting herself into. Maybe the only victim ongabakhona laphana is probably uJoyce. Yeah, to a certain extent. But like uEssie, she knew exactly what she was getting herself into. Evele eqala nje ukuthandana noJonas. Mind you, uEssie ngeke emncedise uJonas ukufihla amankazana, like etshelelana ukuthi no uJonas kakho. She was like covering for ama-shenanigans akhe. And then next thing, sekunguye la esethandana noJonas. Obviously bekwazi ukuthi uJonas ngumuntu onjani. uJonas goes out there, she meets uJoyce, they get married, then comes back to Essie, and then keeps his promise. He kept his promise. Jonas lapha, like lathi liyathandana like 3-5 months or even 2 years or even like a very very long time you're dating someone, and then sasa kokhona ubone ngefacebook ngomarora squad nxa uthi uyavula uthi uyascroll ubone how kanti akuseyo umuntu wami lo nguye uJonas wendlo, and then engayenza kanjalo futhi sokunjalo nje sekuzathi uthi hey nilithanda lonke yabona wena uzohlala ungu-side for your entire life. But as for uEssie lo Jonas wabuya futhi wamshada la, but though uEssie na waba isibhanqa wavuma ukuhlala under the shadows, yabona wabe nguye osehleli like eca efihliwe, like wavuma ukufihlo, like waphila like as a secret, like a fake life protecting uJoyce, yabona. I wonder why uJoyce like nguye overprotector kangaka. Then who is next? We go to uMatipa. uMatipa walandela indoda yomuntu wayisedusa, wafika wayenza everything that she did to get that man, and guess what, she gets pregnant. She's lucky futhi. Abanye umuntu oJonas by these days without abort keeper. I'm not ready to be a father, or I'm not going to leave my wife. And like uMatipa bamtshela ukuthi I'm not going to leave my wife. But what happened to uMatipa? Wachata bamthatha, like she became the second wife. In fact, she was the third wife, although she was the second wife. Ekuqaleni singazi ukuthi kanti uEssie like she's another secret wife. So lina likhuluma ngalokho, lisakhala ngalokho ukuthi uJonas was actually good. Imagine lapha bemesa khona, he was taking responsibility, wahamba ngale, and then omunye kade eyisiyelele lona yisiyelele obeyisiyelele uLindani, is it Lindelani or Ulindani? Lana, like the last girl. As for her, angazi, but like, and as for Ulindelani, well, probably because she was driven by poverty, and stuff. But like, Jonas, he was like a father figure to her. Well, Leo, lamangila wamagama amaningi. But at the end of the day, like, check zama uba nguLindelani khathesi in this day and age, iba nguLindelani, darling, uyahamba uyothola iqhegu lakho iyakuluma likukhekelele. Once eseqedile ngayo sebuyele emfazini wakhe. And then yeah, I think that's it from me. So I'm going to like take this conversation to YouTube, yabona. So make sure you're subscribed if you want to know more of my unpopular my unpopular opinion of the polygamist, aka Jonas Gomora. And then as for Joyce, if you're watching this video, my sister, may that desperation Ella Joyce never find you, please, 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 please. And now and you are desperate as Joyce. Hi, ngeke. Okwami la kuphelile shem. Ngeke. No. And then in this day and age, like now, for like a faithful or a loyal husband, a one that has got everything. Jonas, angeke asazabe loyal vele, like uzoba angazi, angazi, but it depends. But kumele ube kwazi ukuthi wena, like kumele make sure uku prep, like you are on prep. And yeah, I think that's like the most important thing right now. Like kumele uhlale kwazi ukuthi like you are protected, because i-HIV yakwanza ukuyithola nje uzihlalele emtshadweni wakho, being faithful. Umuntu akuphathele njengobanye labantu abaphathele i-gonorrhea indoda yabo. So i-HIV yakwanza ukuyithola nje noma nini. So also, like you are supposed to know your status, get tested. Yeah. So yeah, I feel like I think izinto uyabona nje, just hlonipha nje umuntu wakho, keep your head down kancane, but ungabe idiot. I think that is all. Yeah, I'm gonna take this conversation to like YouTube